Hello, and thank you for joining me for this training video. Today we'll be covering how to add new shoppers. Our recent UI update has modified the look and feel of many of our forms, enhancing their efficiency. We'll start off by clicking the Admin drop-down in the main navigation ribbon and choose User Settings and Users. This screen will show a list of all of the users and shoppers in the account and the related security levels. To add a new shopper, start by pressing Add New. With the New Person window open, we can assign a person ID, first name, and last name. The person ID will be used as the primary identifier for the user and can be converted into a barcode. This ID must be unique and never repeated for another person or user. Existing barcodes, like those on ID badges, can be used as long as the content of the barcode is used as the person ID. There's quite a bit of other information that can be added, but most of it is optional. We will need to provide an email address and press the shopper box. Once shopper has been checked, new tabs will appear. We'll have a user info tab, as well as a stock shopper tab and/or an asset shopper tab. In user info, we'll need to provide the user with a username. This is typically the person ID, but can be set to anything you would like. Additionally, the administrator will want to set the time zone for the shopper at this point as well. This will ensure that all timestamps are accurate. For asset shoppers, check the box next to the security level needed for the shopper. There may be several chosen. For stock shoppers, we'll need to set both their security level and assign customers. The customers selected in this screen will be available for the users to select when placing an order. When assigning customers, use the arrows to move the selections back and forth. Under Employment Info, we'll need to set a manager and a department for the shopper as well. Once these fields and any others needed by your organization have been entered, press the Save and Close button in the upper right corner. This will send an email to the new shopper with their login credentials and a temporary password. Please note the shopper will need to change their temporary password before they can log in for the first time. Thank you again for joining me for this video. Be sure to check out the rest of our training videos for any other questions.